Today I'm going to show you EasyWipes. EasyWipes are a professional grade surface cleaner and hand wipe which are perfect for the everyday engineer. EasyWipes come in a resealable pack of 50 which preserves freshness but are small and compact enough to be stored in your tool bag and glove box. EasyWipes contain a professional cleaning agent to remove such dirt as oil, grease, paint and even tar. Over here we have some dirty tools and equipment. For instance, we've got the evaporator here. It's got quite a lot of dirt on the outside. You know, if you're going to come and clean it, you obviously want the unit to be looking nice and shiny. So EasyWipes can be used to take off that initial dirt before you use such products as EasyFinish, our case cleaner. We've got our vac pump oil here, which has obviously been knocked over or thrown around. So some of the oil has gone on the outside with some dirt. An EasyWipe will take that dirt straight away, leaving the surface nice and clean, leaving your van nice and clean as well. We've also got over here a pair of pliers which has been dirtied up from all that use. Give it a clean, leaving the surface looking brand new. We've got a Pro Max here, it's a bit dusty, with the same wipe. The wipes are moist, which gives it a good clean and a shine after you're done. And you can see the amount of dirt that's actually coming off this Pro Max just here. EasyWipes can also be used on your hands, as they have a professional cleaning agent in there which cleans any of that dirt that you may find on your hands, meaning when you go home you're nice and clean and tidy.